Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium off your shower head. First, gather your materials. You'll need white vinegar, a sturdy plastic bag, and a rubber band. You might also want an old toothbrush or a small brush for scrubbing. Make sure your bathroom is well ventilated, perhaps by opening a window or turning on the fan. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and effective cleaning experience, ensuring you have everything at hand before you begin. Now, let's get to the core of the cleaning process. Take your plastic bag and fill it with plain white vinegar. Position the bag so the entire shower head is submerged in the vinegar solution. Use a strong rubber band or a twist tie to secure the bag tightly around the shower arm, preventing any leaks. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes, or for heavily calcified heads, leave it overnight for up to 8 hours. After the soaking period, carefully remove the plastic bag. You should notice that the calcium deposits are much softer and easier to remove. Use an old toothbrush or a small brush to gently scrub away any remaining mineral buildup, especially around the nozzles. This step helps dislodge stubborn particles. Once you've scrubbed it clean, turn on the shower and let hot water run through it for several minutes to flush out any internal debris and vinegar residue. To keep your shower head sparkling and free of calcium, consider some simple maintenance. After each shower, quickly wipe down the nozzles to prevent new mineral spots from forming. For a deeper clean, repeat the vinegar soaking process every 1 to 2 months. If you live in an area with very hard water, installing a water softener can significantly reduce future calcium buildup, extending the life and efficiency of your shower head.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.